Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. Describe the picture.
Describe the picture.
What do you see?
What do you see?
What do you see? Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? I see a cat. The cat is looking at the fish. The cat is gray and fat. The fish is swimming in the fish bowl. The cat is sitting in front of the fish. Good job!
Well done.
Hi, Max. Max is happy. Look at this picture. Come closer. Look at this picture. What do you see? Tell me.
I see a cat.
Okay, I see a cat. In this picture, I see a cat.
And a fish.
And a fish, okay. What color is the cat?
It's...
Did you forget your colors? What color is the cat?
It's gray.
Yeah, it's gray and a little bit black.
Yeah.
Okay. Is the cat sitting in front of the fish or behind the fish? In front of or behind? Yes, in front of. And how many fish do you see?
One.
Yes, there's only one fish in the picture. Is the fish happy?
Yeah. No.
No what?
It's not happy.
It's not happy. It's
Sad.
sad. And is the cat happy? Can we see the cat's face?
No.
No, we can't. We don't know. Maybe the cat is happy. Look at the cat's tail. I think the cat is happy because cats like fish. Okay, thank you, Max. Do you like this picture?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a funny picture. I like it too. What do you see? Look at this picture. What do you see now? I see an elephant and a mouse. They are playing chess. Can animals play chess? Can you play chess? Good job!
Well done. Is it a real elephant?
Is it a real elephant? What do you think?
I don't know.
I don't know. It looks real, but I don't think it's real because elephants don't play chess. Okay, Max, what do you see in this picture? In this picture,
elephants.
Elephants what?
Are scared
of mice? Yes, you're right. Elephants are scared of mice. And here, what do you see here in this picture? I see an elephant playing
chess with a mouse.
With a mouse. I see an elephant playing chess with a mouse. So it's just a picture.
It's so strange.
Yeah, it is strange. So what are they?
And the elephant's eyes are
orange?
Not real. They're
not real.
Orange.
Yeah, they're orange. They don't look real. Okay, what are they playing? The elephant and the mouse?
Chess.
They're playing chess. Okay. Interesting, yeah? It's an interesting picture. What do you see? Describe the picture. Look at this picture. What do you see now? The girl is reading a book. Her teddy bears are listening. The book is called Beauty and the Beast. The girl has long hair. Good job!
Well done.
Okay, Max, look at this picture. What do you see here?
I see a girl with a book.
Okay.
And I see two white bears. One bear is big, and the other bear is small. And I see another bear, but it is not white. It's pink.
Okay.
And it's really small.
Okay. Look at the book. Look at the cover of the book. What is the book called?
Beauty the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast. And what can you tell me about the girl? Can we see her face?
No.
No, we can't see her face. Can you describe her hair? Her hair is short or long?
Long.
Long and wavy, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you think she's pretty, beautiful? Is she beautiful? I think she's a beautiful girl, yeah? She likes to read and she likes her teddy bears. Okay, thank you, Max. What do you see? Describe the picture. What do you see? Describe the picture. I see a giraffe in this picture. The giraffe is drinking water. It is thirsty. It's hot. It's summer. I am thirsty too. Good job.
Well done.
Max, look at this picture. What do you see in this picture?
I see a giraffe.
Okay, I see a giraffe too. What is the giraffe doing?
She's drinking water.
You think it's a she? It is drinking water. Let's call it because it's an animal. It is drinking water. Maybe it's a she. Why is it drinking water? Why is the giraffe drinking water?
Because it is thirsty.
Yeah, because it is thirsty. Are you thirsty now?
No.
I'm not thirsty either. Look, giraffes have long necks. And a small head. Look, this giraffe has a small head, but a long neck and long... What? What else is long? Legs, yeah?
Legs.
Look at the giraffe's legs. They are very long. Okay, thank you, Max.
You're welcome.
Describe this picture. I see 2 frogs and a snail in this picture. They are happy. The frogs are green. They are holding green leaves. Good job.
Well done.
Okay, Max, here is the last picture. What do you see here? What do you see in this picture?
I see 2 frogs under a leaf.
1 leaf or under leaves?
Under leaves.
Yeah, I see 2 frogs under leaves too. Just 2 frogs? What else is in there? I also see... Oh, there is?
There is a snail.
Yes, there is a snail. There is a happy snail. Okay.
And it's sitting on the leaf.
That's right. The snail is sitting on the leaf. On a green leaf. Are they happy?
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are. They are not sad. They are happy. What color are the frogs?
They are green.
Yes, they are green. What do frogs say? Do you know?
Ribbit, ribbit.
Ribbit, ribbit,
ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Or they can say croak, croak, croak. And what do snails say, I wonder? Do snails say anything?
Nothing.
Nothing. They say nothing. Okay, Max, thank you. Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome.
I love you.
I love you too.
Thanks. Max is helping me. I'm making a new video lesson for my YouTube channel, Little Angel Reader, and we just recorded some audio for the new lesson. Do snails say anything? Nothing. Nothing. They say nothing. Look at my microphone. I need a new mic. Max, thank you. Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome.
Max, what are you making there?
I love you too.
I don't know. Something. Okay, Max, here is the last picture. What do you see here? What do you see in this picture? Max is helping me to make a new video lesson. We just recorded some audio and we're checking it.
Yes, they are.
are. They're not sad. They are happy.
Practice makes perfect.
Thank you for learning English with us today. Email littleangelreader@gmail.com. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Little Angel Reader. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.